Time to mix up some Rubio Monocoat and finish up this toolbox that I've been making for my youngest son. I am so excited for him to see this. I still need to make him some little tools to go inside. If you guys have any ideas for like little hand tools or stuff that I can make, let me know down in the comments below. Like I said, this was originally an idea for an Easter or a Christmas present, but it's been so long. I think this is going to end up being Easter. So I've got some time to work on little tools to go in the box.